Hello and good morning. Welcome to the third episode of my new series titled Saturday Talks with Shankar Vishwanath. As you are all aware, I have started this new series 2 weeks ago to bring to you short snippets and stories on one of the most desired skills of the 21st century, emotional intelligence. Over the last 2 weeks, we have spoken about self-awareness and self-regulation, two of the most important dimensions of emotional intelligence when it comes to understanding the self, recognizing our emotions and the effect they have on other people. Today, the 13th of June 2020, I am going to talk to you about one of the most important dimensions in enhancing one's emotional intelligence, and that is empathy. What is empathy? If you ask a layman, he would say that empathy is putting yourself into the shoes of the other person and trying to feel the pain the other person is going through. But does that really end there? Empathy is not just putting yourself into the shoes of another person and feeling what the other person is feeling, but simultaneously taking action to alleviate the pain of the other person. What does that all mean? This sounds like technical jargon. Let me tell you a beautiful story. A young boy was walking along the fields in a small village when he reached a farmland and found a farmer standing there and hitting a board on the fence. He goes to the farmer and asks him, "Uncle, what are you doing?" The farmer says, "Son, I am hitting this board that indicates that I have a few puppies for sale and each puppy is for 500 rupees. The boy asks, "Uncle, can I buy a puppy?" He says, "Do you have the money in your pocket to buy a puppy?" The boy puts the hands in his pocket and pulls out 75 rupees and says, "This is all I have, uncle. Can I get a puppy at this price?" The farmer says, "No, you certainly can't get a puppy at that price." The boy says, "Uncle, can I at least look at the puppies?" The farmer whistles and there comes 4 puppies running across the farm in the form of furry balls. But wait, the boy's eyes falls on a 5th puppy that is trying to walk very slowly, trembling on way, falling down a bit, again getting up, again walking slowly, again falling down, and very slowly reaches the end of the fence. The boy looks at all the puppies and asks the farmer, "Uncle, can I have that puppy which is not able to walk properly? Would 75 rupees do for that?" The farmer says, "Why would you want to buy that puppy? That puppy probably can't walk for the rest of his life properly. He'll never be able to run and have fun with you." The boy steps back, raises his trousers and shows the farmer that he has one prosthetic leg. The farmer is shocked. The boy says, "Uncle, even I can't run very fast. Forget about running. I can't even walk very quickly. I will be able to understand why the dog cannot run or walk fast, and the dog will appreciate that I can't run or walk fast." That, my friends, is empathy. The farmer, with tears rolling down his cheeks, hands over the puppy and doesn't charge for it at all. The boy is very happy that he can take care of the little puppy and both of them can live happily as long as the puppy is there with him. That is true empathy. If you like this video, please click the like button and the subscribe button and keep watching Saturday Talks with Shankar Vishwanath with more such episodes that I shall be bringing to you in the future. Till then, take good care of yourselves, stay safe, stay healthy, and lots of gratitude for watching this video. Thank you very much.